Hi everyone, I'm Louise Marshall from RosterElf. In this quick tutorial, we'll look at how to view and update staff availability so you can roster with confidence. How to view staff availability. Click the Staff tab to open the list of employees. Select the staff member whose availability you need. Open their Availability tab to see the times they have set. Review the displayed days and hours to make sure they align with your roster. How to update staff availability. Click any green bar on the relevant day to adjust the hours. Move the sliders or type new times to match the employee's current availability. Repeat the adjustment for every day that needs a change. Press Save to record the new availability and keep your roster accurate. Thanks for watching. If you need a hand, our support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering!